Hello guys, I am Adam Sieczkowski, 2000 FIDE rated chess player. I earned 250 FIDE in only 4 months, and I just wanted to show you how I beat a 2566 chess.com rated player with 4 crazy sacrifices. So let me show you guys. We are playing the Catalan here. I'm sacrificing pawn number 1. I play rook takes b7 because my rook is active. I am a pawn down, and you know what? I say, okay, who cares about the pawns if the king is on the middle? And I play c4 and sacrifice another pawn. Knight e5, opening up my bishop, this one, and also this one. h3, g4, e4, knight c3, queen a1, queen takes d2. So now I decide to sacrifice my knight. Because again, I wanna tell you something, guys. The most important piece on the chessboard is the king, and that's what I'm aiming at. Maybe who I'm aiming at. I take on c6, rook takes e7, I sacrifice my rook now. Knight e2, rook d8, now queen to c7, bishop d6, and you know what was the issue, guys, here? I had a checkmate in 3. Rook to e8, rook takes e8, bishop d6. Now, king g8, queen e8, checkmate, as you can see. And if rook e7, queen c8, the rook cannot move back because of the pin, checkmate. Unfortunately, I had 10 seconds on the clock. It was a blitz game. And I was so excited. I was actually on the stream then. You can even find it on my YouTube channel, but it would be difficult to actually find this game. Yeah. Now I play rook to e8 and threaten checkmate. He cannot take because queen e8, right? So he needs to run away. I am actually a rook up right now. Even though I sacrificed so much, I end up with material up, which is crazy. And here, oh no, queen h4 and bishop h7, right? Well, simple tactics, boys. Queen to d8, king h7, and now queen h4. After this, again, I'm very low on time. I should have played bishop e4 if he moves back. Queen h7 checkmate. But I decided to trade queens, and again, I won anytime here. He surrendered here, but after exchanging knight c3, bishop c6, a4, rook a1, it's a mate. It's a checkmate. And what did I say, guys? What the fuck? Am I? Because I'm recording this for the second time because there was some issues. It's not a checkmate, but I am rook and the bishop up. Don't worry, person who has 2000 FIDE knows how to win with that material. Support my journey, guys. We want higher rating, we want to go up, we want to motivate other people. It's never too late to progress, never too late to learn. So keep going, boys and girls.